Today we'll talk about how can you enable notifications on your CallApp. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here, go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on notifications, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next here, you just go down here, you come here to show notifications here, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here show notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.